Yes,
So I directly give it away to you that
thank,
whatever you have, go ahead and present. All
thank,
the best. The floor is yours.
thank you, ma'am. And hello, everyone. I am CA As Mohammed, and I would firstly thank you, ICAI, for giving me this opportunity where I can demonstrate my use case, which I am using on daily basis in my office. And this use case is a simple audit tool to detect invoice gap in sales invoices. So I am going to share my screen. So as we know that in GST, every invoice must be serially numbered. If there is a gap between the invoices, they must be reported in GSTR1. And also in GSTR1 table 13, we have to report invoices serial number from where the invoices started for that particular month. Suppose if I am going to file GSTR1 for August 2025. For that, in August 25, from where the invoice is started and from where the invoice end, and the total number of invoices in that particular month, and the cancelled invoices, and the in the next net issued invoices. So basically we have to detect the invoice gap. It's like a audit tool. For that, for a audit tool for detecting gap in sales invoice, for this we will use simple VBA code, and this VBA code will be run in our Excel file. So first of all, I am going to present my prompt for which I will give to the Copilot. So this is a prompt to be given to Copilot so that Copilot can generate a VBA coding for us, and we can add the code in our Excel and run for the invoice gap detection. So simple VBA code, that this VBA code, write VBA code check selected cell. First of all, in my Excel, I will select the cells from where I want to invoice gap and ignore blanks and test. If there is any blank in Excel, the VBA code will ignore this and list the missing invoice number in new sheet. So VBA code itself will make a new sheet in Excel and will give the name missing serials, and also list minimum and maximum serial numbers. For our GSTR1 reporting, we have to report the minimum serial number and the maximum serial number for that particular month, and also provide total missing numbers. How many numbers are missing, how many invoices are detected for. Also provide total invoices issued including missing invoices. Uh, this prompt is given only for the GSTR1 compliances. For that, from to and the total number and the cancel and the net issued invoices. So this is our prompt. We will just copy the prompt and go to the Copilot. So the Copilot has given VBA coding. Now we will copy the VBA code to our Excel. And this is my Excel. This is the invoices numbers. And from left function, I have get 3 digits serial number for that invoice. Now we will add my VBA code. My VBA code has been added to the Excel. Now I will run the VBA code. But before running the VBA code, I will select the data for which I want to check gap detection in invoices. So let's say this is my data, the invoice numbers for which I want to detect the gap between the invoices. So just I will run the VBA code, find missing serial numbers and run it. There are some error in the VBA code. I have already generated VBA code. From this VBA I will demonstrate.
Sorry to interrupt, Mohammed. So,
Yes.
have you shared your entire screen or only part of the screen? Because we are seeing only part of the screen.
Okay. Sorry. I am checking.
Riddhi, can you confirm? Are you seeing entire screen?
No, I'm not seeing the entire screen.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I was thinking whether I am only getting the. I was about to share the entire screen.
Yes.
Only the folder is visible.
Okay.
The
Now
Windows folders.
entire screen.
Yeah, share your entire screen.
Okay. Yes. My entire screen is visible now. Huh. Whether my screen is visible now?
I think now it's visible.
I don't think so, but anyway, you present. Let us see. Okay. Anyway, continue, sir. Please continue. Okay.
Okay. Yes. So this is my VBA code. Is my VBA code is visible?
Yes, your VBA
Seeing
code is
only your
visible.
prompt. Okay. We are seeing your
Yeah,
prompt.
prompt is visible.
Okay.
Please stop sharing and then try to share, sir. It will be better.
Reshare.
Okay. Yes. This is my VBA code. Are you able?
Yes.
Yes, we can see it. Yes.
Yes. So this is the VBA code for the invoice gap detection. I will copy this VBA code. I think there is a technical issue. I am not able to share my entire screen.
Okay.
And also the stop screen option is not visible to me.
So it will be there in the bottom or top. I think it is a green color small panel, right?
Yes. But
Can you log out and log in?
what? Okay. So
Now you
stop.
can reshare the
Now,
entire screen.
please share your entire screen. Okay.
Okay. But the entire screen option is not visible here. Here's the content, background, side by side.
First item is entire screen.
The entire
Okay,
screen.
otherwise share the current screen, sir. Otherwise share the current screen. Please continue.
Okay. Whether now visible my screen?
Yes, part of your screen is visible.
My Excel is also visible.
Slightly visible, but not full.
Okay. I think there is technical issue because here I am not getting the option for the entire screen. One thing, I am closing all my tabs and trying to.
Okay, please run, sir. Please run your code. Let us see, sir.
Okay. So I will add my VBA code. This is my VBA code for invoice number gap detection. And this is generated by Copilot. I will load it to my Excel. Now I will run my VBA code for the invoices selected. And here is a message report generated in missing serial sheet. Total invoice issued including missing 48 and the total missing numbers is 5. Is it visible?
It's partially visible.
Okay. I think there is technical issue because my seat has been generated and it's minimum serial number is 111, maximum serial number is 158, and the total missing numbers is 5. The invoices which has been deducted by the VBA code missing invoices is 5, 131, 132, 133, and 142 and 147.
I can just zoom your Excel. Zoom
Okay.
that Excel a bit. Yeah.
Now it's visible.
Yes.
Yes, so this is the sheet provided by the VBA code itself, and sheet include minimum serial number and the maximum serial number and total missing invoice numbers. How many invoices were missing in the sales invoices, and the missing serial number details are updated here. Visible? Yes. So this is all from my side today. And thank you so much for the opportunity provided by the ICAI. And over to the Riddhi ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you so much. This was like a detective work
Yes,
that you did. It's a kind of detective work that every financial person needs. Before anything, I have one question. Like VBA code, it becomes sluggish
yes,
when there are large data sets that are to be answered. So, do you consider migrating to any other thing than your VBA code if it slows down? Or is there any benchmark of the performance that you have done or checked? And
yes,
in case you want to shift, where would you shift?
yes. I have already checked my this VBA code on the total 10 lakh invoices of the Excel. As the Excel has a limit of 10 lakhs rows, so I have checked my VBA for the entire limit of the Excel. And this VBA code give perfectly the answers which I supposed to get from the coding, and there is nothing mishappening during the running from VBA code.
Okay. 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 Over to Ratnagiri, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mohammed sir. You have given a nice
Thank you, sir.
insight for using Copilot also. Okay, that's good. And you have got some errors, right? So how will you rectify these errors? Suppose you got error.
Initially, when I was developing this VBA code initially, so I give prompt to the VBA code which I saw over here. The code was generated perfectly in the morning, but in at this time the code
So
was
ChatGPT
generated
can
by
make mistakes. Huh?
yes, the
So
ChatGPT give
Murphy's law.
different code.
So the point is, sir, do you know about VBA already, or I'm just asking like this, whether a chartered accountant should be knowing about coding before using this. That's the question I'm asking.
No, I was not using VBA code before taking AICA level 1 batch. After taking AICA level 1 batch, I have,
So you are going to next level, huh?
yes,
Okay.
because of
So thank
ICA.
you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you, Bharat.
much.
Thank you for giving this.
Thank
Yes.
you.
That's nice.
Thank you, sir.